karon sa Kuan Asian store. Mga will mi dito isda. Okay, so see you na lang ato guys. Guys, di anami karon sa Asian store. Mga will na ta. Ayan siya, guys. Hi Jasmine. Wow. Kahit man ilang mangga, aho mo. Oh. They don't have malunggay, mahal. Guys, kitay lang kangkong. Oh, mahal. Wala sila'y malunggay. Ilang talbos sa kamuti, birthday mahala. Watag. That's so mahal. Free mango. Ilang banana leaves guys. Birthday mahala mo sa down sa sabi. Guys, ilang monilang ko ang jackfruit. Langka nila tayo sa makayo. Jackfruit siya. Sabi. What? Ilang buti guys. Let's get some cocoa milk. Yeah. It's got cocoa milk here. We need to get the small one. Where is it? Wait. No, not that one. We have a coconut milk here. Jugs. Asan mo ito? Ilang kuhan? Aray. Nak, definitely nak. Up. Guys, ilang buti. I'm looking for the small one. We don't need the big one. Hindi na lang sila itong taliton. Dito to sa Baratsu. How much this? Coconut milk. And make sure na to made in China. Okay, mahadlok ka ng made in China. Here na. Okay, let me. First out the cocoa milk. Yeah, just one. Cause we just need a small one. But it's big. Guys, mga isda. We're going to your favorite one. Yeah, Pansit Canton. Tora akong bana guys. Napaluto na. Okay. Nangari na ta. No, not that one. That is spicy. Uh-oh. It looks like they don't have. Oh no. They have this one big, but it's just regular. Original flavor. You like this? Fine. Okay, so let's get 5. You get 5. Okay. Just 3? Okay. Yeah. Okay, that is over there. Akong bundles. Hi, Lucilla. Hi, Daddy.
Oh, you want shrimp?
Yeah, some pasta.
say. Yeah, cross out the cross.
Yeah. How about the shrimp? No head?
Guys, sa ilang mga crab. Okay. For $13 ilang crab, guys. Nak, look at those. Oh my god. Oh, they got crab now. Guys, naana sila blue crab. Uy, kalami ani.
Hi,
Oh,
Krabby.
kalami. Oh, nag-away na, Bi. Kita, Bi.
They're having,
Look.
they're having a fight.
Oh my god. Hello. Ari dahil na rin sa ilang kabuwalan no?
I don't know what we're gonna do.
Hello.
What are we gonna
Guys, mo ni dali guys ilang buwad guys. Kitaan na guys dito yung mahala. $13. Medyo mahal. Mga mahal ang buwad nila guys. Di ka ka-afford na be. Ayan na. Mahal. Tapos namin guys mag-edit guys. Mag-service kasi ano lang.